What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix the problem of not eligible for TikTok. So if you're facing this problem, then basically if you're trying to create a TikTok account, you can. It's just gonna show you not eligible for a TikTok account. And there's two reasons behind this. One, if your age requirement is not met. So you need to be above 13 years old. In some country, it's above 16. But let's say you have to be above 16 years old in order to use TikTok. If you're not, and when you set your date of birth in such a way that it shows TikTok that you're not above 16, then basically it's gonna say not eligible for TikTok, which means you can't create an account due to your being underage, alright? And the next thing is if you guys live in a country where TikTok is banned. So there are some countries where TikTok are banned, and if you're in those countries, then you can't create a TikTok account as well. So these are the two main reasons behind this problem. But let's say you're above 16 and you live in a country where TikTok is available and you're still not able to create an account, then I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix this problem. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let's get on with it. First thing, you want to restart your phone. Sometimes it's a bug with your phone, so restarting your phone will simply fix your problem. And the other thing is make sure to check if your internet connection is fast, because sometimes the internet connection is slow, and when you try to create a TikTok account, then it's not gonna allow you to. So it's due to your slow internet connection as well. So make sure to check your internet connection. And even after doing all this thing which I told you until now, if it still doesn't work, the last thing you need to do is delete your TikTok and reinstall it again. Sometimes there's a bug on your app, and deleting and reinstalling the app simply can fix this problem. Once you do it, you should be able to create a TikTok account. So that's how we guys can fix this problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day everybody, and peace out.